Want to add a contact form to your ShopWired store but aren't sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to integrate a seamless contact form that lets your customers easily get in touch. Stick around because I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial link and show you some great alternatives that might even serve your needs better. Let's dive in. First, let's get clear on what ShopWired is. ShopWired is a UK-based e-commerce platform designed to help businesses easily build online stores. It's a solid choice, but one thing you might struggle with is adding a contact form. It sounds simple, but you might run into a few roadblocks if you're new to the platform. So, let's tackle it. The first thing you need to do is log into your ShopWired admin panel. This is where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll be building out the contact form. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pages section from the main menu. Here's where it can get a bit tricky. You can either create a new page or choose an existing one for the contact form. Next, you'll click on Add New Page if you're starting fresh. Name it something like Contact Us or simply Contact. Now, you need to choose the page type. You'll select Custom Page for this. Don't worry, this is where the options start to get flexible. Now comes the fun part, the form itself. ShopWired doesn't offer a built-in contact form feature, so you'll need to use a third-party app like JotForm, or you can embed some custom HTML code. JotForm is easy to use and has a free plan, which is handy if you don't want to pay extra for this feature. Once you've signed up for JotForm or any similar service, you can create a contact form. Design it however you like with fields for name, email, message, etc. After customizing, you'll get an embed code, and here's where it connects back to ShopWired. Head back to your ShopWired page editor and switch to the HTML view. Paste the embed code from JotForm or whichever service you're using into the HTML box. This is where a lot of people get stuck, adding custom HTML. It's simple, but if you're not familiar, this might take a couple of tries. Once you've pasted the code, save the page and preview it. You should see your new contact form live on the page. Test it out to make sure it works properly, and if everything looks good, publish it. Next thing, ShopWired's built-in features. While the platform offers good customization for e-commerce, when it comes to things like a contact form, it's pretty limited unless you add third-party integrations. For some, this is fine, but for others who are looking for a fully streamlined solution, it might fall short. Moving on to alternatives. As mentioned earlier, ShopWired doesn't make it easy for non-developers to add a contact form without a third-party service, and this can be time-consuming. If you're looking for something simpler with more features out of the box, you might want to consider alternatives like Shopify or BigCommerce. These platforms offer native contact form integrations that you can add with just a few clicks. Now, here's the best part. If you stick around to the end, I've got an exclusive offer for you. By using the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial for ShopWired and some bonus perks that aren't available elsewhere. But I'll also show you a few other platforms that might actually serve your goal of creating a contact form and running an online store a lot more smoothly, with free trials too. These competitors offer better native features for contact forms and overall ease of use. So, to recap, ShopWired can work for adding a contact form, but you'll need third-party integrations like JotForm. That being said, if you want a more seamless experience, consider looking at Shopify or BigCommerce for your e-commerce and contact form needs. Don't forget to click on the link for that exclusive extended free trial and check out some of the amazing alternatives I've mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.